Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so pleased to let you know a brand new item that is going to be in here by Cirkul. That's right, you're gonna see it first, the brand new item that launches today, you guys. Do you wanna know what this is all about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Cirkul got a hold of me and they asked if I'd be willing to show you guys their brand new product that is launching today, Wednesday, the 23rd. That's right, today is the day that this product is now going to be available, and I'm really excited. So they did send this to me for review to show you guys, so thank you so much, Cirkul, for sending me your brand new item that I get to show my viewers, you guys. So let's go ahead and dive in. Here is a little card and they said, "Hi Tracy, we're so excited to have you on board for our new product launch. We hope you love the 32-ounce matte blue metal bottle as much as we do. We can't wait to see your story on 9/23 and your video." So this is that product. So now you know it's for a big bottle. And I'm super excited because now less running to the refrigerator, less filling up your water bottle, because now it's going to hold more. And it is in this cute blue paper wrapped up with their sticker. How cute is that? And then it's down in here. Look at this, you guys. Look how big this is. I'm gonna grab my other one so you can see side by side the difference just in seeing them, because you might not see how big this is in my hands, and this is big, you guys. This is the new 32-ounce bottle that they now have available. It does have a little rubber grip back on the bottom, so it won't slip or fall. The metal containers definitely keep the water inside super cold for so much longer than just like the plastic bottles. Even though the plastic bottles are totally fine and serve the purpose, this just does keep them so much colder, and I've known that from experience because now I have both and I use them both. But this is just super cute. So this is the matte blue color, which you guys know blue is my favorite color. So I'm so glad to have this, and it matches perfectly. It matches perfectly with the blue top. But now they have the 32-ounce available, you guys. So if you haven't purchased one, or if you have and now you just want to get a different color, you can get a bigger one. Launches today. This is now available, and I'm super excited because I drink my water now every single day. So I'm so glad now that I don't have to fill it up as much, because you'd be surprised how much water you really drink with this little sip thing right here. So this is double-walled, insulated stainless steel. Again, it's a capacity of 32 ounces. It'll keep your ice cold for up to 8 hours. It is also available in orange, purple, there's a matte purple, a gray, pink, white, red, blue, the blue matte, stainless, black matte, green, and navy. And these are going to be $35 for this size. But they also have that cool little bundle package where you can bundle everything, and the more you add, the more you're going to save. And that's what I love to do, because that's the best value, because the more that you add to that bundle, the better and bigger percentage of a discount is what you get. So that's what I did when I got my black cup and all the other accessories and all the other new sips. I went straight to the bundle because I was able to save more money that way. So if you're trying to get multiple items, I would suggest going to the bundle or just buy them individually, whatever you would like to do, but that option is always available. And I'm so glad that they're now launching this big guy right in the midst of summer, pretty much. I know we're kind of going into fall, but here in Florida, there's no fall in near sight. It's still over 100 degrees, hot, sticky, sweaty, humid. So it's definitely a good thing that they're launching their new bigger size now, when everybody needs to stay hydrated, especially because it's so hot everywhere. So definitely link down below if you'd like to go check them out and see everything that they have. If you don't want to get the big one, you want to get the smaller one, they even have even smaller ones for kids, which is super cute, because if you have a child that you want to start drinking more water, they're going to think it's like juice or, you know, anything like that. And they have their own little like smaller ones that you can get for children as well, which I think that is awesome. So everybody in your family can be sipping on their sips by Cirkul, and living your best life by drinking a lot of water and staying healthy and hydrated. So there you go. So now I'm gonna clean this and I'm going to put a new sip in here and I'm gonna fill it up with cold water and then I'm gonna put it next to my black one so you guys can actually see side by side the difference. Okay, you guys, so now I went ahead and washed my new cup all the way and I was able to put 2 full bottles of water in here. So it definitely does double the water, because this one I was able to only put 1 bottle of water in and I just literally filled 2 full bottles of water in here. I'm getting almost double. I technically am getting double. So if you guys did miss my other one, these right here are the different sips. These come in so many different flavors and so many different categories with the flavor. Some of them could be with caffeine, some could have vitamins and electrolytes. There's so many different ones that they have to offer that you will definitely love the flavors, and you can have a new flavor to sip on every single day. Now, with this design, it does have a dial, which starts at an X. I'm not sure if you can see the X right now, but it does have an X and it'll go all the way to 9. And then there's a circle after the 9, so I'm not sure if that's technically 10. I know don't go that high, but I do see a 9 and then it'll go to like a circle. So here's a 9, that's the highest. That's all full, everything of the flavor coming out, to going down to like a 1, it'll be a little bit of flavor. So you get to choose which amount, which setting you would like and how much flavor comes out of your mouth sip by sip. None of it actually leaks into the main bottle. So all the water in here stays 100% plain water, because when I was trying out the first one, every time I changed one of these or I added water to it, I would drink from the bottle just to see if there was any flavor or a hint of anything, and there wasn't. It was always 100% water. Now they do have a setting, which is the X. If you do drink it on the X, that means there's nothing, it's just pure water. So if you just want to drink pure water and you don't want the flavoring at the time, you just go to the water setting and you can drink the water without having any flavor. Or 1 through 9, you get to choose and customize it to your own liking for how sweet you want it to be. Now this little top part comes off. This is really cool because the sip is what has the part you drink out of. So you don't have to worry about getting gunk under lids or stuff happening to it, because this is the part that you literally, when you're done and this is completely empty, you throw this out and you put another one in it. So you're not drinking from this, you drink from this. So there's another cool fact. Now, when you first get it, this thing might be a little tilted or put in any position, but you turn it like that and you see this right here. This goes right there and it holds your thing back and it keeps it back out of the way. And yeah, so that's how I use this. Now that I've kind of spilled a little water by opening it. Another fun fact, this is spill proof. The little lid design is spill proof. Okay, so when you do take a sip, sometimes water will sit right on top of the plastic part, the spill proof part. And then if you were to close it and you open it and take a drink, that might, like 1 or 2 drops might fall on you and you might think that it's leaking, but it's just what's left on the top of it. So when you drink, just kind of take another second to suck the top of it off and you won't have that issue whatsoever. It's just because a little bit of the liquid will sit on top of it sometimes. So you have to just suck that down. But if you do have 1 or 2 drops on you, don't worry about it because it's not going to leak. It's just what's a little left from your last sip. So again, going over both of these side by side, this is a huge difference. I mean, you might not see it as such a big difference, but this is so much fatter. And like I said, I just proved putting 2 brand new bottles of water in here and it fits. I can only do 1 in this. So I'm so glad that they came out with a bigger design and it's not much bulkier. It doesn't really feel a whole lot heavier. Yes, you have another bottle of water in there. So it's a little bit heavier, but not too much because the stainless steel bottles that they have are a lightweight, compact design. And I do like this little handle right here because this is how I carry it. So yeah, and I'll just keep filling it up and I close it, stick it in my refrigerator, and whenever I want it, I grab it. It's already ready for me. I fill it up, put it back, and now I'm gonna be filling up less and just drinking. So thank you so much, Cirkul, for allowing me to be a part of your brand new launch. And I'm so glad that you guys came out with this. It's a game saver because more water in here, less filling. There you go. So have you guys seen Cirkul? Did you place an order for my last video? Are you loving Cirkul as much as I am? And again, you guys, I am drinking so much water, and without even knowing it, I can go through 5 bottles of water quick, and I'm like, holy moly, I'm actually drinking water. Where before, it was so hard for me to actually drink water. So I'm loving it. I am so glad that they originally reached out to me because I never even knew that this existed. And now I'm drinking water every single day, and I can feel a huge difference already because I think it's been about, I would say maybe about a month now that I've been drinking this every single day. So I'm drinking a whole lot more water, and I can definitely feel a huge difference. My body definitely loves it. So thank you so much, Cirkul, for having an amazing water bottle product with all of your amazing flavors to keep us hydrated and keep us drinking water for those that have trouble drinking water, or if you just want to drink some good water that's flavorful, then there you go. This is a good thing for anybody in the entire family. There's sizes for everybody, flavors for everybody, and all of that. So definitely please check them out if you haven't done so already. I definitely stand by them. I'm loving them. They get a good 2 thumbs up from me, that's for sure. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. Definitely comment down below. Let me know what you think. And yeah, your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.